Visit the old buildings. Plant trees. Play games. Walk around the lake.
What did they do there?
They visited the old buildings.
What did they do there?
They planted trees. What did they do there?
They played games.
What did they do there?
They walked around the lake.
How was your school trip last weekend?
It was great. We went to Da Nang.
Did Nam and Mai go with you?
Yes, they did. We all enjoyed it very much. Where did Mary and Bill go on the school trip last weekend?
They went to Bana Hills.
What did they do there?
They visited the buildings.
Did they go to Sui Tien theme park? Did they go to Soi Tien theme park?
Yes, they did. Yes, they did.
Did they watch a film there?
No, they didn't. No, they didn't.
Did they swim in the swimming pool?
Yes, they did. Yes, they did.
Did they play badminton there?
No, they didn't. No, they didn't.
Page 71. Lesson 2. Activity 4. Listen and tick. 1.
Did they go to the zoo on the school trip last weekend?
No, they didn't. They went to a farm.
What did they do there?
They planted trees.
2.
Did they go to Tong Nyat Park yesterday?
No, they didn't. They went to Hoan Giam Lake.
What did they do there?
They walked around the lake.